Good afternoon, this is David Thornbury from Eastern Rural in Dalby with this week's Dalby Cattle Sale Report. This week we saw a yarding of 5,296 head, which was an increase of 1,100 on last week's sale. The market remained fully firm to deer on most classes. We saw a large panel of buyers, which included processors, the feeder buyers and the restockers, all active and participating well in the market. Prices this week, we saw bulls sell from 236 to 303 with an average of 268 cents. Bullocks sold from 290 to 339 cents, averaging 318 cents. The prime cows sold from 256 to 310 cents, which saw an average of 286. The lighter store cows sold from 170 cents to 265, averaging 239 cents. The heavy heifers to kill sold really well from 252 to 328 with an average of 304 cents for this class of heifer. Feeder steers were back a little bit on last week's sale. They sold from 300 to 338 cents this week, which was an average of 316 cents. Yearling feeder steers this week sold from 320 to 390, which saw an average of 356 cents. The yearling feeder heifers this week sold from 258 to 340 cents, which was an average of 298 cents. The weaner steers this week cracked that magical $4 mark, selling from 318 to $4.10, which saw an average of 371 cents. The weaner heifers also sold well, selling from 230 to 340, which saw an average of 269 cents. All in all, a good day, a cold day at the sale yards. Vendors were happy. That's all for this week. We'll see everyone next week. Thank you.